Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to create the SharePoint hub site and also subsites in the SharePoint. If we log into the admin.microsoft.com, then we go to SharePoint. In the admin center, we go to SharePoint, and then we can click Active Sites. So, if we wanted to create a SharePoint site, we just click the create button. I have created the, document hub, the site name, and just the address for the document hub. And after I create this one, I also select to register as a hub site. Hub site means, like a central site to host all the subsites for this website. I just register the hub site for the document hub, and in the document hub, if I go to this site, I want to create the subsites in it. So I go to the site contents and then click subsites. So I have already created two subsites, engineer and finance. It's already showing on the top. So if I want to create a new subsite, I just click new and subsite. I put the name as HR, and then I put the name as HR. And I want to use the unique permission. This means we don't want to inherit from the parent side. We want the unique permission, and then we click create. After we click create, we go to the next page. We see this unique permission for this subsite. We want to add the SPHR group to this subsite. So just this one is the data owner, the global administrator. So just check names. So SPHR is added now. So let's see if click OK. So this site is created now. So if I go to the document hub, site contents, subsize, you see HR is created. Now I want to create another site like information. Just for all user. I can just go to there, click subsite. Just put the name as information. I wanted to use the permissions as the parent side. This means the hub side. So I just click create. So information is created now. So if we go to hub, document hub, we go to the site content, go to subsize. We see information is also created now. So if we go to the document hub again, I want to set up permission. Before I do this, I show you what I did before. I just go to the admin and go to the Azure Active Directory. And I click groups, all groups. So I created the SP engineer group, and the member in this group is David Smith. And also SP Finance, the member is Linda Smith. And also SPHR, the member is Joseph Lee. And also I create another group, all active users. This will include is a dynamic group, security group, which include all the users. If you see the properties, so this is a dynamic group. Go to the members. It shows all the the members of the active users in the Azure cloud. So let me see if I go to the properties. That is a dynamic user, and this one. I just show you the dynamic rules. The membership rules means the user account enabled equals true. If the user account is enabled, they will be in this group. This means all the active users will be in this group. Just all the active users. So if we go back to the document hub, I wanted to set the permission. I go to the top right and then click site permissions, and then I click advanced site permission setting. So I wanted to add the all users to this members. So I just click new, add users. So I just add all active users. Just add this one, show option, click share. This means all users is in the document hub members group, and all users can access this site, ccq2020.sharepoint.com/sites/document hub. So this one is set up now. So you see this when we created the subsites, because we have already registered the hub, all the subsites is showing on the top: engineering, finance, HR, and information. So if we go to the computer, I log in as Joseph Lee. So I wanted to access the SharePoint site. Then I just clear this one, clear this one. Just go to the size. So you see, I can access the same because document hub is for all active users. But if I want to access engineering, access required because I'm not in the SP engineering group to access the SP engineering. So if I access the information, I should be able to, because the information is for all users. So information I can access because Joseph Lee is in the SP HR group, so I should be able to access the HR. So if I click HR, HR is not for the Joseph. I think it's for the finance. Let me have a look. Why can't I access one? So let's see which one. If I sign out, sign in as the other person, David Smith. Let me check. Group. So David Smith can access. In order to access, he needs to sign in, sign out because Joseph Lee was already in the log into the computer before I give him add him to the group. That's why I can't recognize the user ID in the group. But if David Smith wants to access other subsite like finance, should be denied. You see, get an access request required, and then if David wants to access HR, it should also be denied access.